Welcome aboard. Today, I'm stepping into the cockpit of an Airbus A320 to walk through the full power-up sequence, just like real pilots do before every flight. First, the pilot ensures all switches are in their correct positions. Landing gear lever down, engine master switches off, and wipers off. Safety starts with the basics. Next, I power up the aircraft using the onboard batteries. Battery 1 and 2 are switched to auto. The aircraft begins to come alive as systems start whirring and the displays light up. If external power is available, the XTPWR button lights up. The pilot connects it by pressing the button, providing electricity from the airport. If that's not an option, I'll need to rely on the APU, our onboard power unit. To start the APU, the master switch goes on first. I wait a few seconds for the system to stabilize, then press Start. Once running, the APU supplies both electrical and pneumatic power, readying the jet for more complex functions. Now it's time to align the Air Data and Inertial Reference System, ADIRS. This step is crucial for safe, accurate navigation. The pilot sets all three switches to nav, allowing the aircraft to know exactly where it is and where it's heading. With power flowing, I perform my system checks, verifying fuel levels, checking hydraulic pressure, and running fire detection tests using the ECAM displays. It's all about making sure every system is healthy and ready. And just like that, the Airbus A320 is powered on and ready for boarding. From here, the crew begins preparing for engine start and departure. Thanks for joining me in the cockpit. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more aviation content.